So this is just a quick tutorial to show you how you can share your ChatGPT prompts. So let's start out with a very basic prompt that says, write me an entrepreneurship article. And once we submit that, we'll start to see a very generic article that hopefully you don't use at all. And what you don't want to do is saying, oh, okay, I want to share what ChatGPT wrote up. I'm just going to copy this link up here. You don't want that link at all. What you do want is you can either come over here to this is a chat, and you'll click on the three dots in the chat and you can hit share, or you can go over here and it does the same thing. In mobile, it's one of these. I believe it's that one. I don't know. I don't remember if it has the three dots. So let's do that. Let's hit share. This pulls up. We're going to say create a link, and then it's already copied it to our clipboard. So all we need to do, let's go over, open up a new browser. And I put this in private browsing so that it doesn't log into my own account. So let's go paste that in. And here it's going to show the prompt that we just did. And you know you're in the right place when you have this right here. Get started with ChatGPT. Now, one thing that's helpful is these prompts can get really long. And so if you just want a specific spot for people to look at, you can just highlight the area, right click, and copy link to highlight. And let's go into another browser and put that in. And there you go. So now if you're just like, okay, I just want to highlight a specific area, you can do that. Okay, I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.